How do I win over listing agents with the VA loan? Fortunately, we've had the opportunity of working for hundreds of agents who are really strong working with the VA loan, and many of those are strong listing agents. We've taken their feedback over the years and put it into 3 actionable steps that we do within our mortgage business to help win over listing agents. The 3 major things that listing agents have told us over time that we've worked into those phone calls of helping explain on a VA loan up front are: number 1, making sure they know we ordered the appraisal immediately. Number 2, discussing Tidewater and what it means for the appraisal process. And then lastly, letting them know that we have a good track record of closing in under 30 days on a VA loan. So looking back at the first one there, ordering that appraisal immediately. The VA has a kind of a stigma to it almost from some listing agents and sellers that the appraisal process can take forever and that there's all kinds of issues with it. There have been a lot of enhancements to the VA appraisal process over the years which have changed some of that. And in fact, here in 2024, we should see some major changes as Congress mandated the VA change the appraisal process last year. However, right now, one of the best ways to overcome some of that stigma is letting the listing agent know, hey, that appraisal is going to be ordered immediately. Within the first day, 2 days. It's going to be ordered right away to help make sure that we don't have any of those timeline problems. Listing agents have told us time and time again, they love knowing that that's ordered right away. Number 2 on that appraisal concept is making sure you discuss Tidewater and what that means for the appraisal process. Some folks are concerned that appraisals on VA loans might not come in at value for some reason. Well, one interesting aspect of the VA loan, we've hit on this on some other videos, is a Tidewater initiative. The VA loan is the only loan type that has Tidewater, which means that if an appraiser is having trouble evaluating the property, rather than just issuing a short appraisal, they're going to give notice to the lender that, hey, I'm having trouble, please send me some comparable sales so I can make sure I issue this appraisal appropriately. That allows us then to reach back out to the agents and list out to the buyer to make sure we can gather some comparable sales. Only loan type that has Tidewater, which is very impressive. One of the things to help let that listing agent know, hey, it's the only loan type where if all of a sudden we have an issue with appraisal, we will typically find out ahead of time so we can try to help support the situation and we can make sure that we just know ahead of time. It's like a warning sign. Wonderful deal versus conventional and other loan types. Lastly, things that listing agents have told us they love knowing, hearing over time and time again, if you can close a VA loan in under 30 days, that really helps the situation. Knowing that you have a track record of doing so is what you want to be able to convey. Oftentimes, folks assume VA loans take 45, 60 days. If you're working with a lender who understands a VA loan, and there's lots of us out there, not just WeVett Home Loans, there's many others. If you can just make sure they understand that we have a track record of closing in well under 30 days, that really helps. Again, those are the things we've heard directly from our strong listing agents ourselves. We hope this helps you go out there, win, close, and list more deals. Bye-bye.